Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a little while since I uploaded, and this will be the last in this series because I haven't gotten any views, so I'm guessing that people don't want to see this. So that's okay, but I did want to do an ending one. So I had surgery on the 26th of June, and it is now July 6th, and so I am now 10 days post-op. So this is how it looks. In a couple days I'm going to get my sutures out. Still have some swelling. I have contacts that protect my eyes from inner sutures, and those kind of irritate my eyes a little bit, but and still a little bit of swelling, obviously. The thing I miss the most is playing with my makeup, so I can't wait to do that again. So once I'm able to do the videos that I normally like to do, and I do have some hauls to show you once I get completely recovered. So look forward to that. So once I'm able to really do the kind of content that I have been doing, I will be back on. And until next time, ciao Bella.